Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's do some Bitcoin technical analysis and prepare for trading day ahead. First, let's recap what happened yesterday. What I was saying is that this could be reversing. I had a projection 38k right here, and I was saying we're probably gonna take this today, and yeah, we did take it yesterday, so it's very nice. Long opportunity was swing failure of this, or long it like in a bull market, just catch the smallest opportunity and put a stop loss on entry and ride the wave, ride the pump. I will show you where I longed and some other opportunities. So usually when you are in an uptrend and you're expecting the uptrend to continue, like you usually know when the uptrend is stronger and it should continue, then you know that you want to get into the trade. Like for me, I was targeting 38k with very high probability, so I wanted to get into a long. So what are the opportunities I can get? Go to lower time frames and look for small market structure breaks. If market structure breaks to the downside, usually that's a good buying opportunity. It's like opposite of what people are taught, what people are learning. For example, like make a high, make a low, make a high, higher low, higher high, and this is taken out, and bang, we go up. Again, you go up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or you can just view this as sideways consolidation. But you don't long this, you don't long higher highs. You long only when it tries to break down and then it fails to break down, like right here. So this was another long opportunity. I longed this. Where did I close my long? I close my long every day on the market close in US, because that's where you don't expect a big move anymore. Market closes in US, the volume is basically dead. So we basically made a high on golden pocket. Very nice touch here. Market closed on this candle right here. I gave it some time to bounce maybe higher, but I closed my trade right here. How much did I make? 2.5%, 1000 move up. It's very nice indeed. And when the market is closed, you don't need to be in a trade. Look, what happened here? It doesn't matter. We are still here in the same place. It doesn't matter what happened. Yeah. So let's do some projections, some TA. Daily candle. We took the high today. Weekly. So what does this mean? We took the high. I'm always projecting the high to be taken, and if the candle closes red, it's like you stop out the traders and then you reverse. So in essence, we can expect a big retrace. We can expect even a massive reversal down to 26,000, let's say. We can expect this, but what are the probabilities? The probabilities are that we are going up. I was checking open interest and it's not dropping that much. So where are the short stop losses? Where are people putting stop losses? Usually they are above the high, and I'm sure there was a lot of stop losses at 38,500, just above the high. We took them, and we took probably enough to go down significantly. But I personally am not interested in shorts, as long as we keep the levels. Like here, point of control on this one, it's important. So if we start losing levels, then I'm interested in shorts. I don't need to catch the high. For me, it doesn't matter. Everyday new trade. I'm not gonna swing trade. Swings are dreams. Okay, 5 minutes in, and yeah, so I explained this. We didn't get opportunity, but aggressive long was decent because we are projecting 28k to be taken. 28 is taken. Where is the short? I didn't short here. I don't care about this because it's double top. I never short double top, and I never long double bottom. And why is that? And if you read a book about trading, they say double top is like a bearish pattern reversal. No, double top is double liquidity. Where people put their stop losses? They put the stop loss above the high, and where people put the stop loss here, they put stop loss above the high again. So what does it mean? There is like 50 million to be stopped out here, another 50 million to be stopped out here, and all this is building for the taking. And someone wants to sell 100 million. They are making these patterns so that there is building liquidity here, and then they can snap up, cause a lot of volume here, a lot of trading to happen, and then reverse. Or another thing, maybe they are buying all these dips, and this 100 million or maybe like 500 million, I don't know how many stops there are, all these short stop losses will cause the buying, enough buying to break out to 42, maybe 48,000. This is how we get moves like this, where people put stop losses above the high, you snap it, and there was probably a lot of stop losses. Yeah, I'm sure there was a lot of stop losses about here. You see lower highs always gonna be taken out, but same about higher lows. They will be taken out at some point, but we don't think about this at this moment. Yeah, I need to stop rambling about nonsense. Let's quickly check Atas. So what is the story here? Yesterday on the move up, you see CBD is not going up. There was one squeeze right here, so I would immediately expect this low to be taken at some point, and we did take it in the evening. And look at that, we bounced up on the weave up. Wow. So yesterday I said one of the opportunities in uptrends is wait for retrace to weave up. And what is this? We retrace to weave up, and you don't need to risk anything. Uptrend, weave up, bounce, and take the high. Such a strong bounce. It's simple as that. Yeah. So what is happening today with weave up? Uptrending, bounce from weave up. It's failing because we took the high. We made a new 18-month high. So obviously the selling pressure is gonna be decent. So I don't like that we took the weave up out. It looks like we're reclaiming again. There's so much volume here. Only selling. And now there's some buying. It's not ideal for a breakout to the upside. But when does it happen if it's not today? It's probably gonna happen today. Yeah. There is not much useful information here. Let's look at imbalances. We took most of the imbalances on here, 36.7, 600. Next retrace can be below the low, can be 37.200. Is there any level? Point of control. Yeah, I don't know. It's not much selling. Bitcoin is kind of neutral now. So what I can say is always expect higher. There is no reason to short. What is the significant level? This is the level. And it immediately made a point of control. We had on lower ticks, there was a lot of orders stacked on 38107, exactly 38107. There was selling and then there was buying when we came from the other side. This is important for me. That's why I keep it on the chart. Yeah, so expect higher, and below daily open it's dangerous because we lock in a swing failure, and then this candle is red. It's basically confirming the top, and that's a problem for us. If it's confirming a top, it can go all the way down to 34,500, something like that. Yeah, so just to recap, losing daily open is very dangerous. Probably all the way to weekly open, it's gonna happen fast. And losing weekly open is changing the day. Basically, we're getting a good high on weekly time frame as well. This is where we get good high on daily time frame. This is where we get a good high on weekly time frame. So we confirm a reversal here on daily, we confirm a reversal here on weekly. This confirm a reversal, it's not 100%, but this is where we can start getting a lot of volume to the downside. And what happens when you get a lot of volume to the downside? Panic. And we're gonna take below weekly open, I'm projecting we're gonna take these bad lows, and decision point will be this naked point of control. Yes, my most interesting places. 36,500 now. And if we get so much selling, I'm probably not longing this. So I keep this on the chart but disregard this. There is one long opportunity right here, another long opportunity right here. This is where people will say we are over, and when it's we are over, it's possible to bounce. And this is where people will say now we are really over. So if now we are really over, this is even better opportunity to buy. Play the sentiment. And what people think here, we are breaking out. So we're probably not breaking out. Think the opposite. But I still look to the upside, and basically losing daily open is where I start thinking about shorts. But maybe I should actually think about shorts on the VWAP. We backtesting. I don't know, I'm just too scared to short this. I think we can easily squeeze to the 40s. It's not worth it for me. I would rather take the easy trades like yesterday, this VWAP. How easy was that? How much it went up? Let's see. It went up all the way to the high. 2% up. How easy was this? It's like picking up cash from the floor. You see cash lying on the floor, you just pick it up. This is how it happens. And shorting in this kind of uptrend, it could be the high, but for me it's not worth it to predict the high. The probabilities are still for the upside. So good high on the 4-hour time frame already. Yeah. So if it's reversing, it's probably reversing from here. Okay, so have fun trading today. Hope you make some money, and hope you learned something. And see you tomorrow.